In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix playback error on X, Twitter. First, you need to check your internet connection or try another network. This is crucial because a stable internet connection is essential for streaming videos smoothly. Look at the Wi-Fi or mobile signal icon on your device. If it shows weak signal strength or is disconnected, that's likely the issue. You might see the spinning wheel indicating buffering, which can happen due to poor connectivity. If possible, switch to a different network, like moving from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or vice versa. This step ensures that you're not facing any network-related issues that could disrupt playback. Next, close and reopen the X app or refresh x.com if you're using a web browser. This simple action can resolve many minor glitches. When you close the app, it clears temporary files and memory that may be causing issues. On mobile devices, you can do this by swiping up or tapping the Recent Apps button to close it completely. For web users, simply refreshing the page can give you a clean slate to work with. This step is important because it can refresh your session, allowing videos to load correctly. After that, it's time to update the X app or your web browser. Outdated versions may have bugs or compatibility problems that lead to playback errors. Check the App Store for any available updates for your X app. If you are on a computer, ensure your web browser is updated to the latest version. This step is vital because updates often include fixes for known issues and improve performance. Staying up to date helps prevent problems down the road. Now, turn off any VPN temporarily. VPNs can sometimes interfere with video playback by altering your internet connection. If you are using a VPN, disable it and then try playing the video again. You might see a noticeable difference in performance once the VPN is off. This action is important because it can help restore a more direct connection to the streaming server. Next, clear the app or browser cache and cookies where applicable. Over time, cache and cookies can accumulate and cause problems with video playback. In the app, you can usually find this option in the settings under storage or privacy. For browsers, go to the settings menu and look for privacy or security settings to clear cache and cookies. This step can free up space and eliminate corrupted files that may hinder video playback. Then disable browser extensions or ad blockers temporarily. Often these tools can block content, including videos, from loading correctly. Go into your browser settings and look for extensions or add-ons. Disable any that might be interfering with X. Once you disable them, refresh the page and try playing the video again. This is important because it helps ensure that all content on the site is loaded properly without restrictions. At this point, restart your device and try playing the video again. Restarting can resolve lingering issues by refreshing the system. It allows your device to clear temporary files and reset network connections. A simple restart can often fix many problems that seem complicated. So, if you've tried everything else and still face issues, this step is a good last resort. Lastly, keep in mind that if only one specific video shows a playback error, the original media may have been deleted or become unavailable. This happens occasionally and is outside your control. If you encounter this, you might want to check if the video is available on another platform or contact the uploader for more information.